Here we come, Stan!
Welcome to my shape factory! You can put together a lot of shape elves with simple parts!
Wow! I want to put together the shape elves!
Here is a notebook for you! Can you help fill in the blanks?
Leave it to me! We've arrived at the square factory. Let's use the square parts to piece elves. Sure! What kind of shape elf can we make with these two squares? Let me try. Is it like this?
No, it's not right.
Well, how about this? That's not right. I don't know how to put them together.
I will tell you the answer.
Look at these two squares. They have sides of the same length. Then we put the same sides together to make a rectangle. I got it! If the sides are the same length, you can put them together.
That's right.
Quack, quack. I've learned it. Let's put a rectangle elf together. Sure. How do you make a rectangle elf with these parts? Great job! Yeah! It's a rectangle elf! Let's put together a big square elf. Sure! Do you know how to make a big square elf with these parts? Yes! Yeah! Wow! Let's record the formula. Kids, can you help me put the stickers on the notebook? That's right! 2 squares can be put together to make a rectangle. 4 squares can be put together to make a big square. Second stop, the triangle factory. Quacky, do you know what shape we can make with triangles? I don't know. Let's try it together. Sure. Drag the triangle part to the top. Tap and hold the arrow to rotate the triangle. Next, fill up this area. Great! Yeah! It's a square elf! What else can we make with 2 triangles? Yes! Yeah! What kind of shape elf is this? This is a parallelogram elf.
Hey. Great job! Yeah!
It's a big triangle elf. Quacky, let's record it.
Great job!
I found that the two triangles can be put together to form many shapes. We can make a big triangle, a square, and even a parallelogram.
That's right!
Let's go to the next stop.
Go!
Last stop, the factory with different shapes. Kiki, what kind of elves are we going to make next? Let's take a look.
Great! Yeah!
Wow! A trapezoid elf!
Yes! Yeah!
This time we made a rectangle elf. Hey, Quacky, let's record it.
Sure! That's right!
We made a trapezoid with a square and two triangles. We also made a rectangle with a trapezoid and two triangles. Different shapes can be put together to make many different elves.
You are so smart!
Hey! Stan, we have recorded all the formulas!
Wow, that's awesome! Thank you!
Practice with Quacky! I want to put these delicious cakes in the box. Can you help me? How do we get all these cakes into the square box? How do we get them all into the triangular box? Huh? How can we get them all into this trapezoid box? How can we fit them all into the rectangular box?
Baby, what are you doing?
I'm playing with magnetic tiles. Mom, do you know how to make a rectangle with squares?
Show me how to piece it.
Look, the sides of the two squares are put together, and the magnets are pulling them together. The two squares became a rectangle. Wow, that's great. Can you make a trapezoid with a square and two triangles? Tap on the button to confirm when you're done.
Yeah!
Kids, use blocks or shape cards at home. Put shapes together with Mom and Dad and see who can make more shapes.
Ha!